Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share computer audio in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Share button. The sharing window will appear on the screen. Here you can choose the screen or application window that you want to share during the meeting. To share computer audio, select your desktop or the application you want to share. Then make sure the Share Sound option is enabled before you start screen sharing. When Share Sound is turned on, participants will be able to hear audio directly from your computer. This includes YouTube videos, music, presentations with sound, movies, and other audio played on your computer. After selecting the screen and enabling Share Sound, click the Share button to begin sharing. If you're playing a video or audio file, participants will hear the computer audio clearly through Zoom. When you finish, click Stop Share from the top toolbar to end screen sharing. If you want to share a different window, click New Share and choose another screen or application. Always remember that computer audio is shared only when the Share Sound option is enabled before starting screen sharing. That's how you can share computer audio in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.